In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook profile lock option if it's missing or not showing up on your account. This is a quick and easy solution that can help you find the lock profile feature from your Facebook profile, especially if you're trying to secure your account and make your profile more private. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Facebook tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look near your profile picture for the three dots menu, which is usually labeled as the ellipsis icon. Tap or click those three dots to open the profile options. From there, look carefully for the lock profile option. If you see it, you can select it right away and follow the on-screen steps to lock your profile. But if the option is missing, don't worry, because there is a simple fix. Facebook sometimes shows this feature only on mobile devices, so the first thing you should do is switch to a mobile phone or use the Facebook mobile app. Then go back to your profile, tap the three dots again, and check for Lock Profile under the profile options. In many cases, the feature appears on mobile even when it does not show up on desktop. If you still don't see it, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version, because missing features can sometimes be caused by an outdated app. Also, check whether your account and region support the profile lock feature, since Facebook does not make every feature available to everyone in every location. Another helpful step is to log out and log back in, or clear the app cache if you're using Android, because that can refresh the interface and make the option appear. So to summarize, go to your profile, tap the three dots near your profile picture, and look for Lock Profile. If it's not there, use a mobile device and try again from Profile, then the three dots, then Lock Profile. This is the most common fix when the option is missing. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Facebook fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.